Are you a manufacturer seeking to cut costs, boost productivity, simplify processes, and make decisions faster? If you are a growing business or a mid-market SME in the manufacturing industry, Smart IT can help you with an Odoo-based ERP platform that manages every stage of your customer journey from quote to distribution and invoicing. As a manufacturer, you need to innovate whilst bringing products to market on shorter cycles. Make informed decisions based on real-time information. Meticulously manage the supply chain and inventory levels. Ensure quality control. Odoo Manufacturing ERP pulls all the elements together that are required to run a successful business. From the initial processing of customer orders through to warehousing, stock management and delivery, modular Odoo systems will integrate your processes so your business runs more smoothly and is managed on one platform. Smart IT consultants initially work with you to understand your operational processes and map these to the Odoo system, and as a result, you can make substantial efficiency savings. If you've got a process that requires bespoke development, then with a strong in-house UK-based software programming team, we can meet the most complex briefs. Our integrated workflow processes implemented with Odoo can cover all stages of manufacturing production, including order processing, automated production line technology, stock management, supply chain integration, integrated e-commerce functionality, real-time management information systems, warehousing and distribution, logistics and delivery management. Everything your business needs can be managed from one central cloud-based ERP platform that scales with your business. Working with Smart IT will ensure you can make decisions based on fact and not opinion through access to real-time data, increase capacity through better planning, increase productivity and efficiencies across operations, reduce your cost base with accurate inventory planning, maintain competitive edge with quicker time to market. Smart IT works with a wide range of manufacturing businesses across the UK and North America. Contact us today to arrange an Odoo demonstration or an ERP readiness assessment.